Hey there, kitchen gadget lovers! Say hello to the Vitamix 5200, the blender that's got everyone talking. Imagine blending the toughest ingredients with ease. The Vitamix 5200 comes with a high-performance motor designed to give you smooth, consistent textures every time. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butters, this blender can handle it all. Worried about control? With its variable speed control, you can adjust the speed during blending for precise textures, perfect for getting that just right consistency. Need to blend for the whole family? No problem. The 64-ounce container is ideal for medium to large batches, making it perfect for family meals and entertaining. And here's the kicker, it's self-cleaning. Just a drop of dish soap and some warm water, and the Vitamix 5200 cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Talk about hassle-free. Now let's talk about why this blender is a cut above the rest. Unlike many standard blenders, the Vitamix 5200 is built to last. Its durability and versatility set it apart, so you won't be needing a replacement anytime soon. Plus, Vitamix is a trusted brand with decades of experience in the blending industry. When you invest in a Vitamix, you're investing in quality and reliability. Think about the health benefits too. Preparing homemade smoothies, soups, and whole food recipes has never been easier. Your journey to healthy eating starts here. Sure, it's a bit of an investment, but with its durability and multifunctionality, the Vitamix 5200 offers excellent value over time. Ready to transform your kitchen? Grab your Vitamix 5200 today and start blending like a pro.